Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about electricity, which is second unit in science 1. So everybody know about electricity, importance of electricity, everybody know. So how we produced electricity, who discovered electricity. So let me discuss today. In 1882, when it was sunset in the west, that miracle happened in New York City. What miracle? When Thomas Alva Edison gently pushed the switch on 14,000 bulbs in 9,000 houses suddenly got lighted up. It was the greatest invention to mankind. From then, the world was under the light even in the night. Many countries began using electricity for domestic purpose. 17 years after the New York in 1899, electricity first came to India. The Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation Limited commissioned on the first thermal power plant in India on 17th April 1899. Around 1900s, a thermal power station was set up at Payson Bridge in Madras City. The picture shows the Payson Bridge, which is in Madras City, and power was distributed to the government press, general hospital, electric tramways and certain residential areas in Madras. Today, electricity is a common household commodity. About electricity, you studied in 6th standard itself. So, what are the sources we had for the electricity? Everything we have discussed in the 6th standard itself. From operating factories, running medical equipments like ventilator, communications like mobile, radio and TV, drawing water to the agriculture field and light up home, electricity is important. What is electricity? We can see that it is a form of energy like heat and magnetism. We have learnt that all the materials are made up of small particles called atoms. The center of the atom is called a nucleus. The center of the atom is called a nucleus. So here we have nucleus here. So this is nucleus which is present at the center of the atom. The nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged. So here we have a nucleus. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged. Neutrons are a neutral charge, in sense the charge is nil, 0. Negatively charged electrons, here we have electrons. Negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits. Electricity is a form of energy that is associated with electric charges that exist inside the atom. So that's why I am explaining briefly about atom. Electric charge is measured in a unit called coulomb. Electric charge is measured in a unit called coulomb. Coulomb we can be denoted by the capital C. 1 unit of coulomb is charge of approximately 6.242 into 10 power 18. 10 power 18 protons or electrons. 1 unit of coulomb is a charge of approximately 6.242 into 10 power 18 protons or else electrons. Electrical charges are generally denoted by the letter is Q. So Q is the symbol for the electric charges. I hope you are all understood about the introduction of electricity. There is an activity in your book. Let me discuss about the activity. Comb your dry hair. You have to comb your dry hair. Immediately after combining the dry hair, bring the comb closer to the bits of paper. What will you observe? It's a very simple activity. You can try it at your home itself. You have to comb your hair. Immediately after combing the dry hair, immediately after combing the dry hair, bring the comb closer to the bits of paper. What will you observe? When you are getting up from the plastic chair, the nylon shirt seems to be stuck to the chair and make crackling sound. What is the reason for the creation of the sound? Another one example, a balloon sticks to wall without any adhesive after rubbing on your hand. Do you know the reason for this all? In all the above activities, when your body is rubbed against some other body become charged. What happens, students? When your body rubbed against some other body become charged. So I told you 3 examples here. The first one is combing your hair. After combing, it will attract bits of paper. And the second one is when you are getting up from the plastic chair, the nylon shirt, you have to consider the nylon shirt only, not other shirt. Nylon shirt seems to be stuck to the chair and make crackling sound. And another one is a balloon sticks to the wall without any adhesive. Adhesive in sense glue. But you have to rub the same. So these are due to charge produced by the rubbed object. So when your body is rubbed against some other body become charged. I hope you are all understood, students. So I told you about the atom, I told you about the invention of bulb, importance of electricity. I hope you are all understood. So let me discuss once again about the atom. So what is it, atom, students? Atom is the very smallest particle which you know well. Look at the picture here. So here we have a atom. 2 or more atoms together we are calling it is molecule. 2 or more atoms together. Atom is the very smallest particle that you know well. 2 or more atoms together which makes molecule. 2 or more molecule together which makes compound. This is compound. This is what is that? Compound. 2 or more molecules together which makes a compound. So Atom, I told you, the center part of the atom is called, what is that? A nucleus. A nucleus which consists of proton and neutron. Proton which has a positive charge, neutron is a chargeless one, and the electrons were revolving around the nucleus. Electrons were revolving around the nucleus. So here these are electrons which is revolving around the nucleus, and this is called, what is that? Nucleus, which has proton plus neutron. So I hope you are understood about the atom. So you have to know what is the charge of each particles. So whatever I told you, proton, neutron and then electron, which are called fundamental particles. What is that? Fundamental particles. Thank you, students.